Hi everyone, it doesn't look like, but this is a video about astronomy, so I'm going to show you how to improve your pictures using Pixinsight, and that's actually two videos showing you end-to-end workflow.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Pixinsight. So that consists first in stacking pictures that you have taken with your telescope. So I go to a script here, and there is a batch process here we want to be using, batch pre-processing, which actually is a pre-programmed batch where you need to add your lights, flats and darks and combine them. It does that for you. So you start adding your lights here, which I've got some lights. You'll see in the next video that I'm actually going to improve those pictures later, but let's stack them first. So these are the lights. I'm going to add the darks now. Going to the darks. There. The darks are added, and we've got the BAs now. So add BAs. What are the BAs here? BAs. There you are, and they are loaded. First thing to do is to do a diagnostics, because I mean it's actually telling you a couple of things. It actually tells me, which I've forgotten, two things. First, reference registration image. You need to say which image of the light you're going to be choosing. So I go back here to the lights and I choose one image, which will be my reference. You also need to say in which output directory you're going to be putting this. So I'm going to specify lights, for example, here. You can see that I'm French here. You do diagnostic again, and I'll see integration of lights. Parasitic clipping should be used for small set of 8 or less images, CS. So in here, you make sure you've got percentage clipping, because you've got different choices here. So just follow what's done. Integration of darks, again, sigma mapping, it's ready. You just press run, and it's got again the messages. It's quite talkative. You say continue, and this carries on. And is going to produce 3 files. Will take 15 minutes, which will be processed in the next video. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the first basic steps to use Pixinsight, and to do this I'm going to take a very poor quality picture taken with my DSLR, and I'm going to improve it using 4 steps. So I'm on purpose actually choosing a very poor quality file to show how powerful this product is indeed. So I'm loading the files here. So this comes from the stacking process, which will be subject to another video. So here's the picture that we want actually to improve. So I go to the functions on the right, on the left here, and I choose screen transfer functions. This is step 1, which is actually consists in revealing the picture. As you can see, you just click on this icon here, and miracle here. This is Andromeda Galaxy, but as you can see, it's a very dirty picture. Again, that wasn't the telescope, that was my DSLR. But we can improve it, because if I actually go here and take dynamic crop, I'm going just to select the galaxy here and really only extract the galaxy. So I just square it like that, turn it slightly, and I click here. And getting the picture, here we go. We just have only the galaxy here, but it's still very noisy. So this was step 2. We need to remove the noise in the back. So there is a function which actually is really good in doing this, which is called background neutralization. So I open this function, and the process here consists in taking that small door, which is a preview, selecting on the picture, and you enlarge it, a part of a picture which should be dark, should be the dark sky. So I'm going to take here that square here, which is not containing any stars, and I take another one here, which is the galaxy, for example. I go to the function here, and I say I want to use as a background sky preview 1 here. I click execute, and miracle, look, we got rid of a noise actually, and that's quite a good product. I remove the preview, so you can see the galaxy. It's actually much better visible. It's not finished. There is a last step, because the screen transfer function is a temporary function. If you just leave it like that, you lose what you've done. So you need actually to take the histogram transformation, which is the last function, to actually make this treatment definitive. So this consists in transferring that triangle here here. And therefore you see actually the histogram treatment ready to be executed on that picture and make that picture definitive. So you deactivate here the screen function, you go back to a sort of, a poor vision, and you activate your histogram transformation. This time the picture is completed, definitive, and can be actually saved using the format you want. And as you can see, if you compare to the initial picture, which was really poor, you can get quite a good picture. And therefore, just do this with your telescope, and I'm sure you get good products. Clear skies.